Hey everyone, I'm grill lover and grill photographer Mike Lang. One of my favorite things to grill, no matter what I have in the house, is pizza. Pizza dough can be a canvas for just about anything. For a base layer, fresh tomato sauce, store-bought sauce, barbecue sauce, even mayonnaise. As far as toppings go, the sky is literally the limit. You picked up some fresh ingredients at the store, you're golden. You're cleaning out the fridge or the freezer for leftovers, just as good. And don't get hung up on the dough. We can have fresh, store-bought, prepackaged, doesn't matter. However, what does everything have in common? And that's right, you might not have thought about it, but it's going on the grill and it will be amazing. Prepare your dough on a clean, hard surface. And if fresh dough is not your thing, pre-made or pre-packaged works just as well. We're gonna grill our pizzas directly on the grate, so you don't need a fancy pizza stone or cook stone or any other apparatus. If you've got a grill, you can grill a pizza. And better yet, it doesn't matter if you've got charcoal or if you've got gas, we're gonna do both. One of the things I like to do is take a fork and punch a bunch of holes in the dough before I grill it. This keeps the pizza from actually blowing up while it's going through its cooking process. Just drizzle a little bit of olive oil on top. Take a brush it out, and let's head out to the grills. Because we're going to grill the dough directly on the grates, we have to grill one side of the dough before we can top it. 2-zone fire, direct heat, indirect heat. Take your dough and your parchment paper, place it directly on the grates over the direct heat, peel off the paper, lower the lid, and grill for about a minute. Take it over. Now it's time to raid the fridge and the freezer for toppings. One of the great things about a small pizza size is everyone gets their own. It's a great time to start involving the kids and the family in the pizza making process. And better yet, no more arguing over who doesn't want pepperoni on their pizza. Remember, for every pizza, no more than 3 to 4 toppings. You don't want it to become too heavy or too unwieldy. This is what I've got on hand. So I'm gonna mix together some fresh cut pepperoni, some Italian sausage that I had, with some shredded mozzarella and a little bit of dried basil with a tomato base. And then for some pulled pork I had left over, I'm gonna stick that with the pepper jack cheese and a little bit of red onions. And I'll use the barbecue sauce for that. And then finally, I'll wrap things up with the ham, the pineapple, a little more mozzarella, and use the tomato base for that as well. And this is gonna be really good. You can see why we only cook one side of the pizza first. We then place the toppings on that cooked side. Once our pizza is loaded up, we'll take it back to the grill, put it back over direct heat to finish cooking the bottom side, then move it to indirect while the cheese melts. It is super easy. About another 5 to 6 minutes, just lower the lid. You know, pizza is one of those amazing foods that just brings people together. In a way, it's a lot like grilling. It's also perfect to improvise with, especially when you don't have every ingredient on hand. Even though we're home social distancing, there's no reason we can't throw an awesome pizza party for ourselves and for our family. And you know what I forgot to mention? You know what else you can grill? A frozen pizza. Yeah, you can do that too. Leave a comment below if there's something you want to see me grill or you have a tip of your own. Take care, grill lovers, and keep that flame burning bright. Still eating.